And still in Parliament, preliminary estimates into last weekend's rainfall, which affected several parishes, show the damage estimate so far at just under $500 million. Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie revealed the figure in a statement to Parliament today, where he was also grilled about the cause of the flooding. $491.8 million and counting is the cost so far of damage to the country's road network following last weekend's rains. Addressing Parliament Tuesday, Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie informed that there was damage to the main road network in several parishes, with Clarendon, St. Catherine, Portland and St. Thomas being the worst affected. The National Works Agency, NWA, estimates the damage to its infrastructure so far at $352 million, while damage to municipal infrastructure is $139.8 million.
St. Elizabeth is estimated at $23.5 million, St. Thomas at $30 million, and Clarendon at $86.3 million.
The minister announced a comprehensive review which is likely to lead to changes to the drainage infrastructure in several town centers. He again dispelled reports that blocked drains led to the flooding.
Mr. Speaker, if we use 19 miles, Mineralites, and parts of Maypen in Clarendon as an example, the National Works Agency has specifically reported that the drainage feature were simply overwhelmed by the volume of water that was dumped on the area in such a short space of time. Checks after the event on Sunday revealed that many drains were in fact clean and functional even after the flooding.
But the opposition wasn't convinced. Richard Azan is the Member of Parliament for Clarendon Northwestern.
Could you state the sum that was spent in Clarendon for drain cleaning?
I am not in a position to answer that question because my ministry has not undertaken any drain cleaning outside of the normal maintenance of drains done by the municipal corporation that would have come out of their monthly allocation from the PRF.
Mr. Speaker, I would like to ask the minister if it was the National Work Agency advised him that drains in the parish was clean.
Mr. Speaker, the reports on the conditions of the drains were reported by both the municipal corporation and the National Works Agency and other entities that was on the ground in Clarendon over the weekend.
Meanwhile, the minister says there will be a comprehensive assistance program for citizens affected by the flooding, details of which will be announced soon.